I think you're lovely.
Thank you.
Would you have dinner with me?
I would like to.
Can I pick you up Wednesday night?
What time?
9 o'clock.
Very well.
We'll go to a Chinese restaurant.
I've never been to a Chinese restaurant.
I think you'll love the food.
Okay, I see you later.
I love that girl.
Did you tell him?
Of course not.
Why not?
He was laughing at me.
How do you know? Maybe he loves you too.
Maybe yes, maybe not.
Just ask him out for dinner.
And then what?
And then he will know that you love him. Would you like to go on a blind date?
You must be joking. I don't want to date a blind woman.
No, seriously. A blind date doesn't mean he's blind.
What does that mean?
A blind date is a date with someone you don't know.
Why would I date someone I don't even know?
To meet new people and expand social relations.
What if I don't like him?
So you don't date him anymore.
Hey, Sarah. Are you excited about our date tonight?
Hi, yes, I am, but I must admit I'm feeling a bit nervous too.
Don't worry, I'm a bit nervous too, but I think that's normal for a first date.
True, it's just that I really want this to go well, you know?
I understand. I want it to go well too. Let's just be ourselves and have fun.
That sounds good. So what do you have planned for us tonight?
I thought we could go to that new Italian restaurant in town. I've heard great things about it.
Oh, that sounds lovely. I'm a big fan of Italian food.
Great. I'm glad you like the idea. And if you have any other preferences, we can go with that too.
No, that's perfect. I'm really looking forward to tonight.
Me too. See you at 7 p.m.
Yes, see you then. And thanks for understanding my nerves.
Would you like to grab a coffee sometime?
Sure, that sounds nice. How about this Saturday?
Saturday works for me. Shall we meet at the cafe downtown?
Perfect. See you there at 2 p.m.
Looking forward to it. See you on Saturday. I've really enjoyed our time together lately.
Me too. It's been great getting to know you better.
I feel like we have a strong connection.
I agree. Let's take things slow and see where it leads.
That sounds reasonable. I'm willing to see how this goes.
Me too. Communication is key for us.
I've been thinking about getting involved in community work.
That's wonderful. What causes are you interested in?
I care about education and environmental issues.
Those are important. I volunteer at an education center. Want to join?
Definitely. Let's make a positive impact together.
I'm excited to work with you for a better community.
Hi, I'm Alex. Mind if I join you at the bar?
Hi, I'm Sarah. Sure, you can sit here.
Thanks. So what brings you here tonight?
Just hanging out with friends. What about you?
Same. It's a nice place to unwind after work.
Agreed. Do you come here often?
Not really, but I might start coming more often now. I've been thinking about our future together.
Oh, really? What are your thoughts?
I see us building a life together, supporting each other's dreams.
That sounds lovely. I'm glad you feel that way.
I want us to be a team, facing everything together.
Me too. It's important to have a strong partnership.
I heard there's a community cleanup event this weekend.
Yes, I'm planning to participate. Want to join me?
Sounds like a great way to give back. Count me in.
That's fantastic. Let's make a difference together.
It's important to take care of our neighborhood.
Totally agree. Together we can make it cleaner and safer.
I've been admiring you from afar. Mind if I join you?
Oh, really? That's flattering. Sure, take a seat.
I couldn't resist introducing myself. I'm John.
Nice to meet you, John. I'm Emma.
You have a captivating smile, Emma.
Thank you, John. You're not so bad yourself.
I noticed there's a charity event next week. Want to go together?
I'd love to. Which charity is it for?
It's for a local animal shelter. I know you're an animal lover.
That's perfect. Count me in. I want to help those cute animals.
Great. It'll be a rewarding experience for both of us. I must admit, you have a great sense of style.
Thank you. I believe in dressing to impress.
Well, you've definitely caught my attention.
I'm flattered. Care to join me for dinner sometime?
I'd be honored. How about Friday night?
Friday works for me. Looking forward to it.
Hey, I've been thinking about our communication lately.
Is there something bothering you?
Not exactly, but I feel like we could improve how we talk about our feelings.
You're right. Let's promise to be more open and understanding with each other.
I saw there's a neighborhood watch meeting next week. Want to attend together?
Sure. It's crucial to keep our community safe.
I thought you might be interested. Let's be proactive in keeping our streets secure.
Count me in. We can encourage others to join too.
Together, we can create a safer place for everyone. I had a great time on our last date.
Me too. You know how to make a girl laugh.
I'm glad I could bring some joy. How about a movie next time?
Sounds perfect. I love movie nights.
Great. We'll make it a movie and dinner night. I've been considering our shared values and future goals.
It's essential for a long-term relationship, right?
Absolutely. I want to make sure we're aligned in our aspirations.
That shows how serious you are about us, and I appreciate it.
I see a bright future with you, and I want us to work towards it together.
I feel the same way. Let's build our dreams side by side.
There's a charity run next month to support education. Want to participate?
Running for a cause? Count me in.
I knew you'd be up for it. Let's train together and make a positive impact.
I'm excited to run for such a meaningful purpose.
It'll be an unforgettable experience and we'll be contributing to a better community. You seem like an adventurous person. Have you ever tried rock climbing?
No, but I'm up for trying new things. Are you suggesting we go rock climbing?
Yes, I thought it would be a fun and thrilling date idea.
I'm game. Let's challenge ourselves and have a blast.
That's the spirit. It'll be an unforgettable day. I've been reflecting on our past experiences together.
Me too. They've been filled with joy and laughter.
I cherish each moment with you. You bring so much happiness into my life.
And you bring so much love and support into mine.
I'm grateful for our journey together, and I look forward to many more memories. I noticed there's a local initiative to plant trees in the park. Want to volunteer?
Planting trees sounds like a wonderful way to give back to nature.
I knew you'd appreciate it. Let's help make our city greener.
Count me in. Let's nurture the environment together.
I have tickets to an art exhibit next week. Would you like to join me?
I'd love to. Art always intrigues me.
I knew you'd be interested. It'll be an inspiring and cultured evening.
I'm excited to explore the art world with you.
Lately, I've been thinking about how much I've grown since we met.
Same here. Being with you has helped me become a better person.
That's a beautiful thing to hear. Let's keep supporting each other's growth.
I'm grateful for our journey together, and I'm excited for the future.
You have pretty eyes.
Thank you. You too.
I wish my eyes were black.
Maybe you will have black eyes in your next life.
But what if I'm a fish in my next life?
I think some fish have black eyes.
I hope I don't come back like a fish.
I hope to come back as a cat.
Cats have beautiful eyes.
I would like to have black cat eyes.
I love you.
I love you too.
I loved you the first day I saw you.
Was it love at first sight?
Yes, it was.
I didn't like you at first.
I know. I had to convince you for a while.
Yes, you convinced me, then we got married.
Now you are mine forever.
And you are mine forever.
We grow old together.